Hello, my dear friends. Today, I am thrilled to share with you the secret on how to acquire the most recent version of Capcut with no issue at all, ensuring that all of its effects are working flawlessly, and there's no need for a login or even a sign-up. As you can see, I don't connect to a VPN, as it might not be recommended in your region. Instead, I think it's best to utilize a VPN if it has been banned in your country. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to me and stay updated on all the latest happenings. By doing so, you'll be able to learn the art of editing as you observe that all of Capcut's effects are working seamlessly without any obstacles. Once you join my Telegram channel, you'll receive an app link directly in the description, so you won't have to search for it anywhere. In conclusion, I hope this info will be helpful, and you can now enjoy the latest version of Capcut with no hindrances, thanks to the VPN assistance. Remember to share your success with me, and don't hesitate to ask if you have any further questions.